Hey there, if you're someone suffering with tendonitis types of pain like tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, shoulder, knee pain, well, I wanted to introduce you to radial shockwave. If you haven't heard of radial shockwave before, it's because it's relatively new coming into the United States. It has been FDA approved, and there's a lot of research behind it that talks about how effective it is at getting rid of acute or chronic pain. Acute meaning something just happened to you and it's still hurting a few weeks into it. Chronic pain is talking about pain that's been ongoing on and off for like months, if not years. Radial shockwave has been used for decades now. It's actually been used to break up kidney stones, but now they're utilizing the technology to help you, someone with chronic pain, get rid of it and get rid of it fast. So let me tell you a little bit more about radial shockwave. So this is the machine that we're using. It's a Source Medical Curix shockwave machine. And what it does is it uses pressure waves to get deeper than any other technology you may. If you've tried therapy before, it's going to get deeper, but it's non-invasive. Right, non-invasive, effective treatment, but it gets deep down into the tissues and affects your muscles and tendons at the cellular level in order to utilize your body's own natural healing process to get rid of pain and get rid of pain fast. If you're interested in learning more about what radial shockwave can do to help you get rid of your pain so you can sleep better, so you can, be more active, so you can play with your kids and not be nagged by this pain and not be in months and months of therapy, give us a call here at Hands-On Therapy Services. My name is Huang Tran. I'm an OT-CHT, and we've been helping people with using radial shockwave, and I'm using this on myself, I'm using it on my family, I'm using it with my friends and my staff member, and it's been amazing. So if you're really interested in finding out more about what it can do to help you with your tendonitis types of pain, then give us a call or grab the free guide below.